MatataStudio Intelligent Microscope M1C, a lightweight intelligent microscope designed specifically for children. Small and portable. At less than 100 grams, it is easy for children to hold and perfect for outdoor exploration. Wireless connection. The wireless app transmits data in real time, connects to cell phone, tablet, computer, has instant imaging, and lets you take a closer look at plants, insects, or anything in nature, whenever and wherever. Simple use. Through physical and digital focusing methods. And by using the adjustable light source, you can observe more clearly. Take a photo or video with a single button. Take records or notes at any time, so you can observe more easily. Various applications. It is appropriate for all kinds of situations and fulfills all microscopic requirements, letting you take exploration everywhere you go.